Phew! Yeah, nobody's here. Time to put my plan in motion. This is artistry at its best!
Hey! I saw what you did!
You can't prove anything.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Huh? Oh no!
Don't worry. I'm on your side here. Let me quickly fix that for you. Honestly, this'll be so easy. And fun. I always liked playing with colors. Now who's the real artist, huh? If you thought I was simply painting the bag, you couldn't be more wrong.
Wow!
You'll thank me later, after you fix that.
But… you said you were on my side?
Yeah, I'm just messing with ya. It's incredible!
Phew! Thanks! I can teach you. How many times do I have to repeat that? No food or drinks allowed inside the classroom! Whoa. Uh-oh. No exceptions. Got it. I don't want to give up my chocolate. Ugh, cover your mouth. Sorry. Just need this. Get well soon. Wait a second. You just gave me an idea. Thanks. Hey! Don't be dramatic. You'll be fine. I'll get him new vitamins later. But now, I have a more important mission. A mission to save me chocolate. It's all warm and melted, just as I wanted. Genius plan, isn't it? The chocolate will set in no time. Shh! This'll be our little secret. Time to see if my plan works. Stop right there! These are my medication. Oh, you can go. Thank you. Quick, I don't want to get sick.
Are you okay? Hey, manners!
Don't worry, I was just faking it. 'Cause I won't let anybody ruin my snacking. Huh?
That's my stomach.
Oh, you can try these.
No thanks.
Ruby, it's chocolate, see?
Really? Whoa!
Told ya.
Cool! Yum!
Phew, I can get rid of the scarf now. Ugh, so bored.
Lucky timing! It's finally lunch break! Yum!
I don't have anything left. Psst. Hey,
What's up?
share a piece with me?
Sure.
Thank you!
Whoa!
Phew, that was delicious. Great snack choice.
But… oh well. It's okay. I have other options.
Worm gummies? Please, just one.
Okay, but only one. Promise?
Promise.
Here's your gummy. Huh? Where? Huh?
Thanks.
No, not again!
You're the best.
And you're the worst! Ain't no way I'm sharing this. Huh? What? How?
You?
Oh, I know what to do. Yeah! This'll solve my snack thief problem. I hope. This little opening here is a must. All the snacks at the bottom. And all the pencils at the top. Can't have a boring design. It's gotta be fun. I call him Snackster.
Any more food over there? Guess not.
Shh. There is, but only for me.
Hey, got more for me?
Sorry, no more.
Are you sure about that? Oh, you're telling the truth.
Mine.
The day has come. Math exam time. Morning, teacher. Can I go in? Huh? No. What do you have here? Uh-oh. I knew it. Another cheater caught. I know you have more cheat sheets. You basically have the whole textbook. I can explain. No, you can't. Go. Oh, fine. Oh, she found all of them. But now I know better. Heh. Let's go. Ahem. What happened to you? Yo, can I go? Well, not yet. Let me see your tattoos real quick. Interesting design choices. What are you doing? Aha! I knew it! Mr. B leaves, teacher wins. That was an epic fail. But I got more tricks up my sleeves. I'm back, and I only have these. Looks good. You can enter. Thanks. He finally learned. Phew, I'm finally in.
Huh? Whatever.
I did it! Here are your exam papers.
Yay! I studied so much.
It's time. Gotta drink some water. Good thing I brought this. Just you wait. And the formula for magic. I mean, math. Ha! I'm so gonna get an A+ from this exam. A sip of victory.
What the?
Mind your own business.
I don't need a cheat.
Phew, back to work.
Art class is my favorite.
Couldn't agree more. First project of the day complete. My hands are so dirty.
Ugh. Mark.
Can I borrow that?
Hey! I didn't say yes!
Don't worry, this'll be quick. Ah, missed it. Again!
Ugh! Stop taking my stuff!
Another miss. Huh. Again!
No! Give it back!
Hey, you can't stop me. Ugh.
No! You broke it!
I didn't do it on purpose. Come on, don't cry, I can fix it. Nope, I'm not taping the broken thing. I'm making a brand new one. One that's much better than the other. Stars and glitter. Tell me a better combo than that. Heyo!
What? Wow!
I made this for you.
Aww! I forgive you. This is incredible!
Yay! Glad to hear that. Okay, lesson learned. I'm behaving better now. But somebody's not.
Ken and I are going on a trip! Mwah!
Anyway, gotta cut. Hey!
Ken's skiing at the Winter Olympics!
This is getting annoying.
Oops!
Ugh! You ruined my project!
Ken, sorry!
I hate Ken! Ah, go away!
No! Ken! What did you do?
I admit, that was a bit dramatic.
Ken's blood!
Now who's being dramatic? Just give me that. I'll try to fix it. Done. Stop crying and check this out.
Huh?
What do you think?
Whoa! It's spooky and so cool!
A little help?
Of course! Ken's got a little bit of cold. Need a tissue? There.
Thanks. And with that, my project's complete. Great work, team!
Aw, besties! I think I'm doing alright. Oof. Will this little eraser even do its job? Apparently not. But I need to fix my drawing. Fine, I give up. Hey!
Yeah?
Can I borrow your eraser?
I mean, if I can find it, yes. Let's see. It must be somewhere in here. Here!
I said eraser, not the cheat sheets.
Ah, I see. Take it.
No. Do you know what an eraser is?
Obviously, just messing with you. Here!
Oh, come on! Enough with the pranks! How did that thing even fit in here? There's everything but an eraser! Why do you even need this?
To play, duh!
And this?
I'm the Fairy King!
At least you pretend to be. Are those even allowed in school?
I don't know.
Hang on. This might actually be useful. Let's get rid of those first. Apply some glue on this side. Of course, I'm color-coding the empty boxes. It'll make finding things so much easier. Yep, we'll need a lot more boxes for this. Like 10. A little desk cabinet is the cutest, wouldn't you agree? Any kind of beads will do the trick here. Ta-da! This is for you!
Wow!
Now you can find your things faster. Let's fill the drawers. Paper clips here. Staples in this one. And with these, all the drawers are full.
Thanks!
My pleasure. Eraser.
You got it! I know it's in the second drawer. There!
Yay! Finally! Thanks a lot.